They're stuck together.
Zena.
He was humping her, now they're stuck. They can't get apart.
Come on, Zena.
What the hell are you guys gonna do? That's what you get for humping. Come on now.
What happened?
What the fuck did they do? Yeah, I'm not happy about it either. Well, who's gonna make the move? Hmm?
Look at his leg up.
Yeah. Come on, it's got to come apart sooner or later.
Oh.
Thank God. Don't do that again. How's your pee-pee?
The carrot's out.
Is the carrot okay?
Yes.
Yep.
What will you?
Yeah, I'll leave that one alone. Jesus
Nasty.
Christ.
You guys are nasty. Get out of there! Quit smelling it.
They're all tending to. What the hell happened to Zen?
Zoe's like, what happened? What happened?
So,
What happened?
what happened?
You're too young to know.
Don't do that. Don't start again. See what happens
Look,
on
his lips trembling.
unprotected sex? See? You need a condom. At least then it could come off. Uh-oh. Bitch is fighting. Your pee-pee hurt? Yeah? You get yanked around upside down.
So yeah, your pee-pee hurts when it does a 180.
Your lips trembling? Let me see the
It
face.
was. Not anymore.
Zen.